we are working on the Connect 4 project from the YByte Python curriculum available at www.ybyte.in. In fact, we are almost done. In the last few videos, we have been looking at functions that help us, for example, determine a horizontal winner, a vertical winner, a diagonal 1 winner, and diagonal 2 winner. Now, as you have noticed, we have kept the structure of these codes quite similar to each other. So the thing that changes really is the indexing and, of course, the way the for loops are set up. So quite interesting, actually. But now that it's all done, it's time to put this structure together. And that's what we will see in this video. We will build the actual check winner function. In fact, the idea is very simple. Basically, remember, check winner is called from the game loop. So either once the player plays a turn, we check for a winner for 1. When the computer plays a turn, we check for a winner with 2. All we need to do is to basically check for each of these. So we check for, let's say, winner being horizontal. If we get a winner, then we just move forward. If we don't get a winner, then we check for vertical, and so on and so forth. Now this may look a little bit strange, but really the idea is very simple, that once I've found a winner, then there's no need to further search, right? So that's kind of brings it a bit of efficiency. Very similar to using the break, let's say, break statement in all the component functions that. So I get back to my code and I just define a function called check winner, say value, and I can just put a small comment, check for winner. And like I said, we will go sequentially. We'll first look for, let's say, horizontal. So I just define a boolean, say winner is, let's say, check horizontal winner value. If I get a winner, then well and good. Well, if not, so if not winner, which means winner turns out to be false, so there was no horizontal winner, then I can just put no winner yet. If that is the case, well, I can look for, let's say, the vertical winners, again with value. Once again, the same story, if I get a winner over here, that's fine. So I ask myself, if not, let's say, winner, so if still don't get a winner, then I go and check for, let's say, the diagonal 1 winner, again with the value that I'm sending in. And again, if not, say, winner, I just go and say, well, winner is equal to, say, check diagonal 2 winner with the value. Very logical what we are trying to do here. And of course, at the end of all this, I return the winner. So return, say, winner. So basically, if there's no winner, then I'm going to check for all of this. The moment I find a winner, I basically don't proceed further and I return the winner. Now with this done, in fact, now the game is going to pick up any kind of winner. We can actually try this. So let's say, of course, right now when I run my code, it's completely empty. Let's say, just for the sake of testing, I create a diagonal winner. So let's just go with this. So I say board 01 is 2. Let's say board 1 2 is also 2. Board, say, 2 3 is 2, and board, say, 3 4 is also 2. So when I now look at, let's say, display board, I see that I have a negative sloping diagonal winner. Let's say I were to say check winner, say 2, I expect to see a true. That's because the diagonal winner returned be a true. So very logical, right? Now in case you're wondering why is it that we are not looking at the graphical aspect anymore, well, worry not. In the next video, we'll tie it all together. In fact, the game is ready. Now it's time to tie it all together, including the graphical aspect. But remember, the computations really happen on this list. And that's why all of these computations I'm just showing you on the on the board, because also these are very artificial conditions that we are generating. So that's why I did not create the visual part of it, but that we'll tie it all together in the next video. I hope you found this interesting. Building activities is a great way to learn programming, and that is what we do at YByte. Look at our website, www.ybyte.in, because we have lots and lots of activities that you can look at. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.